Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Driveway Detail. What we have for today is a 2015-2016 model Ford F-250 in for a full interior and exterior detail. It's not like the worst we've seen, but it's definitely going to need a good bit of work. The owner lives off of like a muddy driveway, so it's managed to get a good bit of dirt and grime down the sides of the truck and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it.
So I changed things up a little bit and I went ahead and got started on the inside first on this truck, and I started off by sorting out the customer's personal items from the larger pieces of trash. I also went ahead and quickly got the floor mats pulled out while I was in there too, that way we can go ahead and start vacuuming these carpets up. Okay, so now that the vacuuming process is all finished up, we can move on to shampooing these carpets, and they really weren't too bad, but they could definitely use a quick freshen up. But after just one quick pass from the extractor, I can already tell that I'm going to be able to get these carpets looking brand new again. So I'm really curious to know what you guys would like to see me add into these videos. I know a lot of you guys love seeing the carpet extraction, but let me know down in the comment section below which processes that you would like to see me add more of, or maybe add into the videos. I know there's a lot that I don't, usually include, but just let me know down below. And once I had the carpets all finished up, I can move on to cleaning these filthy floor mats off. And ironically, what I use to clean this can either be a degreaser, or you can also use a wheel and tire cleaner. And then I'll follow that up with my drill brush, and that does a fantastic job at cleaning around the contours and the edges of the floor mats really good. And you guys can see just how great this combo works when it comes to cleaning floor mats. And up next, I'll jump back into the truck and start cleaning all the hard surfaces such as the door panels, the dash, and any other plastic areas around the vehicle. And you'll see me start off by going around with my vacuum and a detail brush to kind of remove any loose dirt, dust, grime, things like that before I apply my cleaner. But once the bulk of everything is removed with the vacuum and a detail brush, I'll follow that up with some Chemical Guys all-purpose cleaner for the rest of the panels, and I'll get them thoroughly cleaned off. And then to top everything off, I'll apply a UV protectant to all the panels. And my go-to UV protectant would probably have to be Chemical Guys Silk Shine, because it's going to leave these plastics looking brand new again. It's not going to leave behind a greasy finish or anything like that as well. And it gives the panels like a nice satin finish, so it's not going to leave them overly shiny or anything like that like a lot of other UV protectants would. And now that the interior portion of this detail is all finished up, I went ahead and moved on to the outside, and the owner was only paying to have the inside done, but after seeing how dirty the outside was, I just couldn't stand to leave it looking like that when I give it back to the owner. So I decided just to give it like a sort of like a basic wash really quick, and I know a lot of you guys are going to say I should have used a pressure washer, and you are absolutely right. The reason I didn't though, however, is because my pressure washer has actually been in the shop again for the last 2 or 3 days getting a pump replaced, so that's why you're not seeing me use it. And to get this truck all wrapped up, the last thing I did was go ahead and got everything dried off after washing it. I also went ahead and applied some tire shine to the tires. But that's going to about wrap up this detail, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to help support the channel, please leave a like on this video and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. I upload detailing videos similar to this one every Tuesday and Thursday, and by being subscribed to the channel and having your bell notifications on, you'll be sure to never miss one. Stick around for just a little bit longer so you don't miss the before and after shots, but I'll catch you guys in the next video.